This is Maria Lorena Lehman, founder of the MLL Design Lab. In today's Journal of Design Insight micro lecture, we're going to discuss design for perception. In other words, how do you innovate occupant experience with architecture? Well, I'd like to suggest that one primary way that really has a lot of impact, positive impact, is using interdisciplinary bridges. So an interdisciplinary bridge is when we as designers pull from other disciplines to find new ways of seeing the world to help us design new environments by which to experience that world. So it's really looking at the different disciplines that exist within the different subject matters that we all study and research, and finding moments of overlap or convergence where each can influence or inform the other. As such, when looking at interdisciplinary bridges, there are 4 stages to these bridges. The first is discovery, where, for instance, in the field of science, research makes different discoveries. The second is perspective reframe. Here, we can take the discovery and form theories. The third is design innovation. Here, the theory impacts how we evolve our creative design processes. And the fourth is new experiences, where the evolution of the creative design process yields a design result, the application that has hopefully beneficial impact. So an example of an interdisciplinary bridge in action can be seen in one of Paola Antonelli's talks, where she focuses on quantum physics and uses findings and discoveries from quantum physics to explore what she calls quantum design, or the ideas of ambivalence. So by pulling from other disciplines to find new ways of seeing the world, to help us design new environments by which to experience that world, we're left with some questions about how to improve design for perception. The first is, how can we use these bridges to design for perception in even better ways? The second question I'd invite you to ask yourself is, are there better ways to make these bridges between disciplines? Are there ways to make better bridges? And the third question is, are there moments where disciplines should more fully converge? Perhaps the bridge turns into another way of collaborating or coordinating between disciplines, where disciplines become one. So this poses some very interesting questions and ways of conversing with your design process to really be a more conscious designer and make smarter design decisions that help you to design for perception. Thank you.